Alright guys, welcome back to Suckling on Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. You guys know, rain or shine days, I was gonna be an adventure, and in today's video we're doing a street food adventure. It's a dish that I've always wanted to try myself. I've seen in some Korean type of street foods, I've seen them done stuff like this, but this is like the Jamaican version. This is a crispy pork that has jerk rice that's inside of it, right? We're supposed to do this from the time we went to the grill, I believe, but you know, things came up. But yeah, anyway, it was a hell of a journey getting here. It was like maybe like an hour and 40 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes from Treasure Beach. Yo, it poured. It's still raining right now, and the messed up thing about it is that people are still out here waiting for this pork. So I hope we can get a fair share of this this today. It's like probably like 5 cars out here already, and I'm assuming that they came for this. What's your expectations? Have you ever had it before? I know you told me that your friend had the link and we called her and set everything up, but
never had it.
Never had it before.
So, yeah, never had it. So I'm curious to see what it's like. Looks good on the pictures.
It does look good on the pictures, definitely. So what it is it's a suckling pig. Suckling pigs, they tend to be a lot more tender and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna probably improve the meat. What about you, Sars? I know you are. Everybody know you already. You love pork. You understand? So what do you think?
I've never heard of it, so I don't even know what the picture looks like. So I'm intrigued to know what it tastes like, looks like, smells like, everything.
So definitely, that's always a good thing as well when you are given food surprises. You don't have no idea what it's gonna look like. I've seen a couple pictures of it before. I saw a video on YouTube. I never really watched it to get person's interpretation, but I'm thinking it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be like super epic. It's gonna be super lit. But anyway, just some quick information. Just to find it here, just type in Lambs River in your Google Maps and go get to where you see the Welcome to Lambs River sign. It's a white and blue sign. Once you're there, we're right into the town center here. If I can get some shots, because it's a bit rainy right now, so if I can get some shots, I'll show you exactly where it is. But once you're at that sign, you're very close. You can ask anybody by a bar or whatever, and they'll give you the information. It usually comes out every single Saturday.
Every Saturday.
Every single
4:30, but they change it
because of curfew. So usually about 4:30 they'll come out with it, but now curfew is at about 4.
They come out at 1.
So they're coming up between 1 to 2. Yeah, so that's as much information as I can give you and as accurate as I can. So yeah, hopefully when we get in I can tell you guys some more. Anyway, let's wait for this food. Guys, crazy. Oh my god. Wow, so we finally at the spot where they do the pork and everything. Yo, we were there parked up all along and the people were here. It's ridiculous.
What are you guys? Or down there for? Alright. You can put over the bar.
Wow. Looks good. Crispy pork and some mad jerk rice. Yeah, well, I'm putting some out of there. Would like to order some of the food, please. I don't know what the price is on the pork or whatever.
1,600 a pound.
So 1,600 a pound. How much do I get? Yeah, I can get like 3 pounds. Yeah. Wow, guys, it is raining as hell. For those who need to find this place, it's like under this little shed. So when you look that side, you're gonna see that blue building there. And then across there, you'll see the sign. Could not even use my camera because it's raining as crazy. It's raining as hell. Oh my gosh. You left out?
The towel, last night I took a towel.
Okay.
What do you want?
Three 1 pound, please. Oh, wow. So it's part of the head of the pig there? Eh? In the oven at home? Okay. Wow. I'm very interested to try this stuff. I need to know. Yes. Wow.
Okay, that's just the next of the
It is so bad. Wow, definitely rain or shine for the food. Crazy. But let me say the place have a buzz, so we definitely want to work with that and see how it go. And Sarah got her food and thing. Now Jilly just got hers, so yeah, let us see how it go on. See how them feel about the food.
You know, after driving so far and waiting so long.
Sarah, you slept like all the way here. So like we did the driving, you just slept.
The rice definitely has the pork flavor. I mean, it's stuffed in it, so it had to.
Another one. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. So this is a pound. Alright, so I'll go try this and see how good it really tastes. Good. Nice. Really good. Alright. That's a buzz. That's a buzz.
We're at the drive.
We're at the drive. Alright.
The rice, spicy.
Yeah, and flavorful.
Can I get a knife and fork?
I have it.
Are you having?
Yeah.
This looks nice and tender. How about the skin? Crispy and good?
Yeah, I heard when she was cutting it and it was so crispy.
You're not gonna hear with the rain. But best believe, I'm sure it's really, really crispy. Anyway, I'm gonna have some really quick. I'm not gonna know.
Alright, thanks. Sir, take care, sir. Alright, cool.
That's up. Alright guys, so let's be honest. Well, I don't even need this. Alright, let's be honest. That was one of my least favorite videos ever to film because of the rain. Like trying to eat standing up with the rain and everything, yeah, it kind of took away from the experience from me. However, you guys saw the reactions from Jill and Sarah. What I really appreciate from this whole thing is the whole experience. I've never seen anything like this before. I've seen something close to it or similar but overseas, so it's good that there's the opportunity for Jamaicans to try cuisine like this. I like that they were very creative, and it's definitely a hit because this thing wasn't even here for even an hour good and everything is done. They already just took the box that the pork came in and tossed it in. I never got to see it come, but then again, it's rain and whatever. In terms of flavor, I honestly, knock me in the comments if you want, I find pork to be one of the more bland favorite types of meats, like the white part. The skin is really where on the pork where everything's at. Like once that starts to render down and the fats and whatever, it has so much flavor. You'll find like the white parts. I don't know if you call that white meat. Is it white meat? The white meat, it's pretty bland. But what I think is really ingenious, and some persons might say, oh, jerk this, jerk, because in Jamaica we try to jerk every single thing. I find like with the jerk rice, where they definitely won is that the jerk rice paired with the kind of bland white meat, it kind of adds that flavor back into the pork, because it's almost next to impossible to add the flavor into the meat itself. You'll find like some chefs, sometimes they will actually get the juicer thing and inject it into the meat of the pork because they know it's not the most flavorful thing. So shout out to them. Huge creativity on that. I think it's something that you guys should definitely take a look at. If you're passing by this area, definitely give it a stop. And just be warned, it's not gonna be here for long. So whatever time it is, come by, kick back, wait. Because a couple people, again, I couldn't film everything because of the rain and whatever, but people would come by and buy like 5 pounds of it, bag it out and leave. So that's a vibe. The price of it was $1,600 per pound. I find like the pound was filling, and it was an experience. What do you guys think, Jill?
It was good. It was good. The rice was very good. The crispiness on the pork skin was really nice. But like Stephen was saying, when you got down to the meat, some of it was a little bit kind of trashy, kind of dry. It wasn't so flavorful. I was thinking Stephen would have actually said it wanted a little bit more salt.
I wanted to, but like
I had it in my mind. It could use a little bit more salt, but overall, it was good.
So for me, the skin was actually the fave. Skin on pork is always my best part still. The rice was definitely flavorful, so I enjoyed the skin and the rice. But overall, it was a good meal. And the experience, because I've never had anything like that before, so it was definitely good.
yeah, definitely experience. Minus the rain. Strange part, the rain was kind of cool too, but just from a filming perspective, kind of made it hard. However, this is great inspiration for me because you guys know I like to try making some of these crazy stuff that you see. And again, shouts out to them, huge creativity on how they did it. It was a really good dish. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember, you see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.